Lawyers representing the Holland restaurant owner who was jailed last month for failing to comply with local health orders have now filed a motion to dismiss her case.
Our Michael Martin spoke with her attorney this afternoon about where that case stands right now, and he joins us live in Holland with the very latest. Michael.
Yeah, Derek, Doug, good afternoon. As of right now, the restaurant out here in Holland remains closed. You'll remember back on March 23rd, Fox 17 was there as Marlena was released from the INGHAM County Jail. Her attorneys now working, figuring out how they can reopen the restaurant and get those customers back inside.
She's one of the strongest women I've ever met.
The story of Marlena Pavlos Hackney in her Holland restaurant has made headlines around the world.
I'm gonna fight, and I'm not gonna give up.
After appearing on several national media outlets, she was arrested on March 19th, Attorney General Dana Nessel saying because she repeatedly failed to comply with local health orders. Fox 17 was there when she was released from the INGHAM County Jail several days later. Now her attorney, Robert Baker, has filed several motions in her case, primarily responding to the initial charges brought against Marlena's business.
We filed a motion for summary disposition in lieu of an answer, which basically says that they don't have a case, and we point out the legal deficiencies in their pleadings.
He says they have major concerns with how Marlena's arraignment happened back on March 19th in front of INGHAM County Judge Rosemarie Aquilina, and says they still have not been provided an accurate transcript of the hearing.
We're trying to get an accurate transcript because that is the court record, and that is what we appeal on. That is what we ask for a motion to reconsider on. That is what we're doing our pleadings as to whether or not her constitutional rights were violated in that hearing.
So while Baker hopes to have this addressed at a hearing set for April 27th, his primary focus right now is getting her restaurant back open in line with the Attorney General's office.
And then I just hung up with Ms. Whipple, who is the Assistant Attorney General, on this, and we had a good conversation of trying to figure out how to get Marlena's restaurant reopened. She gave me the steps of what we need to do. I'm going to discuss that with Marlena and try to figure out how and if we can comply with what they want so that we can get her restaurant back open.
Marlena, he says, is eager to return to the work she loves, serving her customers.
Ultimately, she is doing well. She is doing well. I mean, she misses having her restaurant open. She loves to serve people. You can tell, when you meet her.
So her attorneys hoping that these issues can be addressed. Court hearing is set for April 27th. And I also did reach out to Judge Aquilina, mentioned in that story there, who oversaw Marlena's initial arraignment. She says while she would like to be able to issue a statement, she can't comment on open cases. And we also reached out to the Attorney General's office, who say they are aware of these motions recently filed and will respond in court when it's appropriate. For now, live in Holland, Michael Martin, Fox 17 News.